Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video how you can get up to $1 million line of business credit with a 600 credit score for your small business. Now, this company has funding all the way up to $5 million. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. At my website, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. Also, I have packages for purchase at my website, so you can download those. And all you need to do is follow the links in the description of the video or in the pinned comment section. So let's jump into this information. Now, ROKFinancial was started in August of 2020, and it was started by a small group of seasoned business financing professionals, and they established this company to become a brand new financial service in the industry. So they specialize in business credit and financing. So if you're a small business, this is an opportunity for a company that will work for you and your personal credit profile if you're looking to personally guarantee to help your business start to grow. Now, they offer term loans, and with term loans, you can use investments into your business, such as expansion products or large purchases. Now, the loan amounts for your term loans is $25,000 to $2 million. Terms for repayment of this loan is from 6 months to 10 years, and you can get funding in 1 to 3 days. They also offer a line of credit. You can use this for managing cash flow to buy inventory or other unexpected expenses, and you can get a line amounts of credit from $10,000 all the way up to $1 million. Now, you can repay this in 6 months all the way up to 10-year terms. Now, funding, you can get this line of credit from 1 to 3 business days. Also, they have equipment financing, and that's for people who want to buy or expand and buy equipment. And you can get loan amounts from $10,000 to $5 million. And they have terms of repayment from 1 year to 5 years. And you can get funding in 2 days to 5 days. We're going to check out the business line of credit. Now, with the business line of credit, they do offer same day funding, and it goes from 10 to 5 million for some business lines, and with 6 months to 10-year terms of repayment. And this can be great for those in auto repair shops, also for those who have manufacturing, and those that also have small businesses can access this business line of credit, such as restaurants and contractors. You have easy qualifications to qualify. All you need to be is 6 months in business and have a monthly gross sales of $5,000 and have a 600 FICO score for you to apply. It's an easy 15-second application to get option in just minutes and funding in hours. It's a simple 5-step process from application to funding. Online application you just completed. It's simple, 15 seconds, and you'll fill out the application online. Step 2, you'll meet your advisor. You'll connect with a dedicated business finance advisor. Then the step 3 is review your options and determine which financial option is best for you. Once you review all your options, they have 75 plus lenders. Then step 4, choose your offer. And then step 5 is you will get funded in as little as a few hours. And it's a simple process with a simple application, no cost advisor, and you can get funded fast, typically within 24 hours. So if you want to check them out, I'll leave the link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. And if you have any questions for me, you can also drop them in the comment section or reach me at my website. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.